Hello everyone, welcome back to Terry-Ann Designs. So during Craftmas 2024, I made this knot blanket and I loved it and have pretty much been using it ever since, but I want one that is not Christmas themed. So let's get to crafting. For this, you are going to need 2 fleece throws. Mine are from Walmart, and I chose these 2 different patterns. So start by removing the packaging. So once your packaging is off, go and lay one on top of the other on your floor or a very large table. You are going to need a lot of room for this. So then cut 4x4 squares out of each corner. You are going to want to cut strips on the side of each of the throws. I made mine between 1.5 to 2 inches wide. After that, you're just going to want to tie them in a knot. It is a knot blanket after all, so all you have to do is tie the 2 corresponding pieces together around the entire area. I start at one corner and then go completely around. After that, your knot blanket is done. So this is how our knot blanket turned out, and I love it. I love knot blankets and they are so easy to make. I have linked the blankets I used down below, so please go check those out, and I will see all of you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great weekend.